ask if you have any allergies or religious food restrictions, ma'am.
No, I don't have any.
All right. So, are you ready to order, ma'am?
Yes, may I have some one serve of Asian pork chop with one serving of chicken garlic wings?
Noted, ma'am. Anything else, ma'am?
Can also have some rice, please.
Which do you prefer, ma'am? Plain rice or garlic rice?
Plain rice, please.
Okay, ma'am. I also suggest our hot steaming soup for today, known as beef soup, and also you can try our Italian wedding soup. Perfect match to your Asian pork chops.
Italian wedding soup, please.
Okay, ma'am. May I also want our dessert, ma'am, which is black forest cake, and also our best-selling, ma'am, custard cake.
Custard cake, please.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. Anything else, ma'am?
No one.
Okay, ma'am, may I repeat your order, ma'am? You will have one serve of Asian pork chops, one serve of chicken garlic wings, and also the soup is Italian wedding soup, and the dessert is custard cake. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.